Lexilou, and I'm here for you. Today, I wanted to share with you something very special. Well, someone very special.
Okay.
So animal that's very special? I got a puppy! Introducing, drumroll please, Winnie! I wanted to share Winnie with you today so she could bring a smile to your face, just like she does to my face every day. Fluffy and sweet, fluffy and sweet, fluffy and sweet, my puppy loves me. Oh my goodness! That could be a song! Should we write a song together about Winnie? Yeah, let's do it! Now, when writing a song, there's no one way to do it. Some start with the music first by writing on the piano or guitar, and some start with the lyrics first with no music. And others, a melody just comes to their mind.
Melody?
Right. Let me explain. A melody is a series of different sounds in a piece of music.
Melody.
We came up with a melody first. So, we need to put music to it. I should grab my ukulele. Woo! All right, so now that we have our melody, we have to figure out what chords we should play along with it to make up a whole song. Do you have your listening ears on?
Yeah, sure do.
Awesome. Here we go. My puppy loves me. Me. That didn't sound right, did it?
No.
Let's try another one. My puppy loves me. That was kind of pretty. I don't think it's our key, but maybe it's a chord in the song.
Okay.
Let's keep going. My puppy loves me.
Ooh.
Almost. Wait, I know, that was G. Let me try the C chord. My puppy loves me.
Wow.
Oh, we did it! That was the C chord, meaning our song is in the key of C. And now we know what chords to play along with it. Awesome job.
Yay.
All right, so now that we have that, we need some more words. These are called verses. What else can we say about Winnie?
She's cute.
She's so cute.
She's fluffy.
Oh my goodness, she's the fluffiest.
She's sweet.
She's so sweet.
You love her.
I do love her. But what are some specific things I love about her? It's important to be as specific and detailed as you can when you're writing a song so your audience can really picture it. She loves to play go fetch. She loves her bones. And she loves to snuggle. Yeah, she loves her bones, she loves to play go fetch, and she loves to snuggle. We can put all this into the song. Let's try it. And if you have an instrument at home, you can play along with me. All right. I love my puppy. She's good to me. Oh, she likes to chew on bones and cuddle me. We play go fetch. Yeah, we're a family. My silly puppy wags her tail at me. Here we go, the hook. Fluffy and sweet. Fluffy and sweet. Fluffy and sweet. My puppy loves me. We did it! We just wrote a song together. How cool is that? Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome.
Writing songs is so much fun. Before I even learned how to play an instrument, I would just make songs up in my head and sing them to my dads. Remember, everyone's process is different. And if you get inspired, you should try it at home. Well, until next time. Wait, first, let's have a dance party. Hit it. I love my puppy. She's good to me. She likes to chew on bones and cuddle me. We play together. We're a family. My silly puppy wags her tail.